Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike Green. I'm one of the owners of 1A Auto. I want to help you save time and money repairing and maintaining your vehicle. I'm going to use my 20 plus years experience restoring and repairing cars and trucks like this to show you the correct way to install parts from 1AAuto.com. The right parts installed correctly. That's going to save you time and money. Thank you and enjoy the video.
In this video, we'll be replacing the taillight connector plate on this 99 Venture, same as a 97 to 05 Venture, as well as the other GM minivans, the Pontiac Montana, Old Silhouette. Only tool you'll need is a T30 Driver.
Okay, so inside your taillight is this connector plate, and a lot of times what goes wrong is it's got a seal around the outside. Either if your taillight gets cracked, and obviously if your taillight gets cracked you should think about replacing the whole lens, or the seal goes bad and water gets in here and corrodes the contacts. Okay, so to replace it...
Okay, so here a close-up of the T30 Torx bit. That's what it looks like. Like I said, there's also the screwdriver style. You can use either one. And I'll start loosening those up, and we'll hit a little bit of fast forward here so you don't just have to watch me doing this.
Once you have those bolts loosened up, you just want to pull, and then your bolts are probably going to fly out like that. Okay, and so here's the back of that connector plate, and probably just want to pull this clip off from the harness, and then you're going to want to take the whole plate out. So there's 4 tabs, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so you just pull the tab out, pull the tab out, pull the plate up, this tab and this tab, and then pull the plate up. Okay, see there's all your bulbs. Obviously this is how you would change the light bulbs. And you'll be able to tell once you get to this point. You'll probably see some corrosion coming up out of there. And then to unhook your harness, there's a thumb tab right here. You pull up, take your harness off. Okay. It does matter what bulbs you use. The top, let's see, top and bottom are double filament bulbs, and the 2 middle ones are single filament. So I would just transfer them right to each one. And obviously you'll want to put in new bulbs if you have a corrosion problem. The dual filament bulbs look like they're, I can't tell, 3057Ks. And then the single filaments are probably 3054s. The single filaments are 3156Ks. Okay, so put your bulbs in. You can either connect that now, or you can do it afterwards. And the shape of your taillight makes it obvious which way this goes. Again, if your taillight is cracked or broken, you'll want to replace that. But then this just presses right in. And you'll need to press it firmly because you want to make sure it seals. I'll put it right down in your van. It may take us some trying. I found that locking this bottom corner one first was the best way to go. But the harder it is to lock, the better, because you know it's in there, nice and firm and sealing well. Okay, so now reconnect our harness. Okay, and then reclip the harness to the taillight. install.
Okay, and we'll fast forward through putting in those screws, and when you tighten them up, you want to tighten them up firm, but not too tight. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1aauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.